Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about convergent, divergent. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that the range of cosine x that should be about from negative number 1 to positive number 1. Now if I put power 2, so this one that is about even power, and now the range of this one should be about from 0 to positive number 1. Now we divide both sides by 1 plus x squared. We know that this one still about number 0 in here. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So we see that this one there's still about number 0 in here. Now let's concentrate on this one. So for this one, I can put into the limit, and I approach to positive infinity. So we have the integration from number 1 to a. So the integration of this one, we have arctan of s, and I will put the bounds from number 1 to number 0. So we put a and number 1 cone here. So when I approach to positive infinity, this one will be b over 2. So now we go back in here. So on the left we have number 0. On the right we have b over 2 minus arctan of number 1. So we see that the value in here there between this one and this one. So we can say this integration is about convergent. That is the end. Thank you for watching.